Have you ever wished you could access your files from anywhere at any time without having to carry around a physical storage device? That's the beauty and convenience of cloud computing. It's like having a giant digital storage space that you can access from anywhere. Instead of saving files to your computer's hard drive, you save them to the internet. This means you can access them from your phone, tablet, or any computer, no matter where you are. Pretty neat, right? Think of it like this. Imagine a digital library in the sky where you can store all your important files. You can put all your books, photos, music, and even videos in this library. Then you can access them whenever you want, from anywhere in the world, whether you're on a beach or on vacation. That's what cloud computing is all about: convenience, accessibility, and flexibility. Cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular in today's digital age. More and more people are realizing how easy, efficient, and beneficial it is to use cloud services. Plus, it can save you a lot of storage space on your devices, making them run faster and more efficiently. Now let's talk about the companies that offer these amazing cloud services. These services have revolutionized the way businesses operate, providing flexibility and scalability like never before. Two big names come to mind: Microsoft and Google. These tech giants have been at the forefront of cloud innovation. They both have fantastic platforms for cloud computing, offering a range of services that cater to different business needs. First up, we have Microsoft 365. This platform is a comprehensive suite of productivity tools designed to enhance efficiency. This platform is like a treasure chest of productivity tools. It includes well-known applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It has everything you need to get work done, from word processing to spreadsheets to presentations. Then there's Google Workspace, another powerful platform. This platform is all about collaboration. Google Workspace makes it easy for teams to work together no matter where they are. It's perfect for teams working on projects together. You can share documents, calendars, and even video chat all in one place. You can share documents, calendars, and even video chat all in one place. This seamless integration makes teamwork more efficient. Both platforms have their strengths. Microsoft 365 excels in productivity tools, while Google Workspace shines in collaboration features. It really depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize productivity or collaboration, there's a solution for you. But one thing is for sure: cloud computing is the future of how we work and store our information. Embracing these technologies can transform your business operations. Let's dive a little deeper into Microsoft 365. This platform has three rockstar applications: Word, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. They're like the three musketeers of productivity. First up, we have Microsoft Word. It's the king of word processing. Whether you're writing a novel, a school report, or just a grocery list, Word has you covered. Next, we have PowerPoint. This is your go-to tool for creating stunning presentations. It's perfect for school projects, business meetings, or even just sharing your vacation photos with friends and family. And last but not least, we have OneDrive. This is your cloud storage haven. You can save all your files here and access them from anywhere. OneDrive is incredibly user-friendly and designed to make your life easier. Let's say you want to upload a file. It's a straightforward process that anyone can master. It's as easy as pie. No complicated steps or confusing menus. Just open OneDrive, click Upload, select your file, and voila! Your file is now safely stored in the cloud. Saving files directly to OneDrive is a breeze too. You can do it without breaking a sweat. Just choose OneDrive as your save location when you're working on a document in Word, PowerPoint, or any other Microsoft application. And the best part, it's all seamlessly integrated. You can share your OneDrive files with others with just a few clicks. This is perfect for collaborating on projects or just sharing photos and videos with loved ones. Imagine the convenience. So there you have it. OneDrive makes cloud storage simple and efficient. Cloud computing with Microsoft 365 is like having a personal assistant, a tech whiz, and a file cabinet all rolled into one. It's a game changer for productivity. It's time to embrace the future of productivity and storage. With OneDrive and Microsoft 365, the possibilities are endless.